to check in with United Airlines app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to let you know the ways to check in with United Airlines app. In order to check in with the United Airlines app, you have to first of all open up a browser, type in check in with United Airlines app, and that's on the search box. Type in United Airlines. And when you type in the link, it's going to take you to the official page. Here you're going to log in into your account. When you're logged in, you need to go ahead and select the check-in and enter your confirmation or e-ticket number and a last name. When you've actually done with this procedure, you can use your electronic boarding pass on your mobile device to board the flight for international travel, and you can also scan your passport using the following app. So you could just type in the e-ticket number right on this page and then the last name and click the continue button, and you can proceed on. So that's how you can check in with the United Airlines app. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.